Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove stickers on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you sent previous stickers, but you don't want them cluttering up your messages, you can always trim those down and delete them all or just a couple. To be able to do that, let's open up the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap on a conversation. I'm just going to tap on this one with Trevor Nace, myself. Act as if you're typing something, and you can see next to the message screen is the plus. Tap on that plus. Tap on stickers, the third option down. And here are all of my stickers. If I wanted to remove one of these, essentially I'm going to press and hold on it. Let's use this one as an example. If I press and hold on it and lift my finger up, there is now a delete button. Tap on delete, and now it is permanently removed. Unfortunately, there's no real way to be able to do this quickly across all of them, but you can again press and hold and then hit delete on any of these to go through the list and delete them all out. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and check this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it.